I've just 3 questions for you, and then if I can have 2 minutes of time, I can present you with one hell of a deal for you. Have you ever wanted to learn how to make money from owning an investment property but didn't know how? Well, now is your chance. Or have you ever wanted to create your own side hustle or indeed a full-time business earning $1,500 per month but didn't know how? Now is that chance. Or have you ever dreamed of working about a few hours a week for the rest of your life? Well, now quite literally is your chance. This is going to be a life changer for the action takers out there. Along with yourself, we're taking 11 other investors who are looking to get out of the proverbial rat race and retire early and build up an additional income stream. That's not an empty promise. That is literally what we are going to do, and we will show you how to do the same along that journey with us. My name is Michael Bowen, and together with my business partner, Jacques Toy, we have over 20 years of experience each, as well as the necessary education to be successful in property investing. And what we noticed is that education alone was not the answer. It needs both education and experience, but the chasm between the two was often insurmountable for most people. That's new and aspiring investors alike. Hell, it's even tough for experienced investors looking to try out a new strategy. So over the next 3 years, we're going to choose 12 investors to go on a journey with us. You loan us some money, we repay that loan back at the end of the term, plus a fixed return. And along that journey, we show you how we do this. At the end of this period, you'll have both the experience and the education to do this for yourself. And we'll even assist you with your first one unit after that. It's going to be an epic journey. So what is it going to do? Our business is going to find, set up, automate, and run 12 Airbnbs in the US market in the next 36 months. And if you like what you hear and want to join us, click the link below to register for your interests.